Hello everyone, I have come up with a new video and this time it's not going to be any movie or web series review, rather than I am going to talk about employment in India after Covid-19. In this video I am going to analyze an article that was published by Times of India. So if you want to have a clear view about it, do watch the video completely. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In terms of industrial density, China has established its upper hand to attract global MNCs to set up their manufacturing plants back in their country. The reason behind it is quite clear that China has enormous work power and is technologically advanced compared to other countries. According to a report, Hong Kong, Shanghai and Beijing tops the list in terms of industrial development. Covid-19, which has taken lives of many across the globe, is suspected to be originated intentionally or unintentionally from Wuhan's lab in China. This pandemic has shattered the economy of all the leading countries by means of overall lockdown. With this being the current situation, all the global leaders like USA, Japan, Germany have ordered its companies to shift their base from China to an equally productive country. Here is where India stands topping the list in terms of productive country, with the majority of Indian population being in the age group of 20 to 30. India provides the best manpower in terms of quality and quantity. According to an article published in Times of India, the Indian government have already established a detailed report to lure businesses moving out of China, according to people with the knowledge of the matter. A total area of 4,61,569 hectares have been identified across the country for this sole purpose. India claims the industrial land is twice the size of Luxembourg, which is known to be the industrial capital of Europe. This includes 1,15,131 hectares of existing industrial land in states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Land acquisition has always been a problem for MNCs, which takes years to settle down. The Modi government is already in talks with the states to solve this by readily providing industrial land with power, water and road access to attract new investments. The government has handpicked 10 sectors, namely electrical, pharmaceuticals, medical devices, electronics, heavy engineering, solar equipment, food processing, chemicals and textiles as focus areas for promoting manufacturing. Invest India, the government's investment agency, has received inquiries from Japan, the US, South Korea and China, expressing their interest in relocating the Asia's third largest economy. Andhra Pradesh, a southern Indian state, is in touch with several companies from Japan, the US and South Korea. The northern state of Uttar Pradesh is also developing an online system for land allotment for all industrial and commercial purposes and is in talks with global companies for attracting investments in sectors such as defense and aerospace. If all these falls in place accordingly, then for sure the need of quality workforce will develop for sure. Students and researchers will have the best opportunity to get hired with hefty packages. Though this will take 5 to 6 years for industries to establish their base, but once it's completed, the problem of unemployment will reduce to a certain extent, making India one of the leading industry player in international sphere. So here's a message for my fellow graduates: do develop your potential in you and opportunities will come in your way. So be ready to showcase your talent and make our nation proud. Thank you.